Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, LED headlights, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.